Hi, in today's lesson I will show you the quickest way of creating a texture roller in Blender. We just delete the cube and perspective camera, and in units I change scale to 0.001 and length millimeters. Then Shift and A, mesh, and we create a cylinder. We click here. We change vertex to 128, radius 10, depth 100 millimeters. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's go to Edit mode. Choose Face Select mode here. Click here on this part, X, and delete faces. And on the bottom as well, click X and delete faces. Now we have an empty cylinder. Now let's click vertex mode here, click A, then you click I, inset, make a little inset, you can see inside here, yeah. If you click I on the keyboard, go with your mouse and make a little inset like here. Then we go to modifiers here, we click add modifier, solidify, then we make our cylinder solid, maybe something like this. Then we go back to object mode, and here we apply. It's very important, the solidify. Then we go to edit mode, still in vertex mode. You choose the loop cut option here, click anywhere. Let's pick higher number to have a better resolution, maybe 500, and you press enter. And now the crucial moment is when you have this one orange and you can see the inside is not orange, so it's everything is good. You go to this green icon here, data, and you have this vertex group, so you just click plus and you have a group appeared here. You can click assign, okay, and that's it. Then you go to modifiers, you click add modifier, and you search this place. In this place you click plus new, coordinates UV, UV map, and vertex group, you choose group. So this is the orange part that we made. Perfect. When you did it, you just go here to texture properties, this icon that appeared later, you click open, you search for your file and open it. File with the texture, PNG file. Okay, when your design is ready, you can go to object mode and you can see that's already been added. The good thing is that this part here, the rim and the inside is smooth. So only thing that you are left to do is that you have to tweak this this graphic because it's not nice, but besides it's all good. So what I'm going to do, we go to mapping here. I'm going to click flip axis because if you can see here, here's the view of your texture. If it's going this side, you can maybe change it, yeah, to this side. So I flip axis, and extension I go with clip. All right, so this is the basic stuff that I do. Thanks for watching so far. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Then I go again to modifiers and I can change the strength here, or if I want it in the other way, so I can change the strength here. Plus I go here with minus, we go here. So it depends on your preferences, on the effect that you wish to achieve. So this you change in displays. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to texture again. You go to sampling and filter type, change it to box, and size you go up a lot more, and you can see that the quality of your design is getting better. It's not that edgy, so it really looks very nice. And the last thing that you can do, you can make your design better looking on the texture roller. You go to this UV editing. So now let's go to edit mode. This is all orange again. If it's not, you just click A, then go to UV editing. Here, this icon of image, you can choose your image that you uploaded. Yes, it should appear here. You click it. Perfect. And you can see that this black rectangle doesn't cover all of our design, so we have to change it. So now we click here, we click A. So you just click on this one, A, then you press G, you move it on the middle. It's too big a little bit, so I press S, then I press X. Let's make it smaller. Then I press S and I press Y to make it bigger in axis Y. G again, move it, and it covers bigger space. Then I go back to object mode, and as you can see, the design beautifully shows on the whole texture roller, and it's ready to be exported to file STL as well. So this is it. Before exporting, please apply this displays modifier as well, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I think this is the quickest way of making a texture roller now in Blender, because you don't have to make anything with the roller, any boolean options, you don't have to do it, you just click it, then you can save it, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.